5 signs she is crazy about you. Hello friends, today I'll share these 5 tips to know if that girl is crazy about you. But before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then subscribe it and like this video. Number 1, her eyes. There are so many things a woman's eyes communicate throughout the seduction process. For example, if you are close to a woman and the glances are crossed, she see if she maintains eye contact for more than a few seconds. If she withdraws the look immediately, means that she's not interested or is shy. But if she maintains eye contact for 2 or 3 seconds, take it as a sign of interest and invitation to approach. If she stays in visual contact with you more than once, she is yelling, "What are you waiting for? Come closer, I want to meet you." Number 2, her lips. When a woman is attracted to a man, she bites her lips and even slides her tongue over them to moisten them. It can even be the case that she gets a lip gloss or lipstick in front of you. In fact, you should see a woman's mouth as sexual access to her, and those little things she does are messages, which her feminine body language designed to draw your attention to her mouth. Now you know. When you've noticed that a woman does any of these things, she's sexually attracted, and you should take action on that. Number 3, her hair. This is another important sign that you should focus on when you are with a woman. If she is interested and attracted to you, you will notice how she plays with her hair, putting it between her fingers or combing it with her hand. Sometimes you may notice that she does not know what to do with her hair, but she touches it or caresses it in front of you. A woman can pull her hair back or tuck it behind her ear to show off her neck. This is a slightly more open moment and is a definite sign that she is attracted sexually to you. Number 4, moves and touches her neck. The neck is one of the most sensitive and erogenous areas of women. So when they show it or touch it, it calls the attention of men. Why? This is because the man is attracted to the soft skin of a woman, and the neck is one of those parts that can be shown without any inconvenience or social criticism. If you notice that she often touches her neck or moves it to make it one of the areas of her body more visible, it means that she is attracted to you. Usually, you will see that these moments are accompanied by the hair. That is after she pulls back her hair, moves or touches her neck. After she places her hair behind her ears, she touched her neck. Number 5, her smile. This is one of the most notorious and obvious signs. If you notice that she laughs at what you say, even if it's not so funny, or if she smiles at you while you're interacting with her, it means that she is attracted to you. Who would smile at another person for no reason? Usually that does not happen today. Do you know any other signs when a woman likes a man? Tell us in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.